Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.